Hey, what's up guys, Amog here from Your Point of Tech, and today we'll be taking a look at 10 hidden features that you will find in this Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Yeah, let's get started. Now before we begin, if you guys want to see more videos on this Zenfone Max Pro which I have already made, then click on this card and check out my playlist for all those videos. Anyways, let's take a look at some of the top 10 hidden features and tips and tricks which I have found in this Zenfone Max Pro to improve its user experience. Do note that some of this feature may be already available in many other smartphones running on same Android version. Let's start with the first feature, which is called as Go to Pay application. This application is pre-installed with all Zenfone devices, which is basically an app which lets you add money in your wallet and let you recharge for mobile, data card and D2H. It is similar to Paytm, but it comes pre-installed with the Zenfone Max Pro. Then the next feature is called as Double Tap to Wake Up. As the name suggests, this feature lets you turn on your screen without pressing the power button. To enable it, just simply go to Settings, then go to System, then click on Gestures, and under Zen Motion option, turn on this Double Tap to Wake Up. Now you can turn on your device by just double tapping it on lock screen. Then the next feature is called as Double Tap to Turn Off Screen. Similar to Double Tap to Wake Up, this feature will let you turn off your device by just double tapping it on the screen. Go to the same location which I showed just now and tap on this Double Tap to Turn Off Screen and you're good to go. Then the next feature is called as Swipe Up to Wake Up. Again, as the name suggests, this feature will let you wake up your device by just swiping up from the lock screen. Again, go to the same location and enable Swipe Up to Wake Up option, and that's it. Now you can swipe up from the bottom and the phone will turn on. Then the next feature is called as Gestures on Dark Screen. Now you can draw a particular gesture to open the respective app. You can check out all the list of applications from the same location which I mentioned before. And now whenever you will draw the selected written gesture when your phone is locked, it will open the respective application as soon as you unlock your device. Then the next feature is called as Magnification Mode. If you want to magnify whatever is on your screen, then go into Settings, then go into Accessibility and turn on this magnification option. Now you can magnify any part of the screen by just tapping on it thrice, and you can also pinch to zoom further. And this feature can be really handy if you have poor eyesight. Then the next feature is called as Hide Notification from Lock Screen. If you don't want anyone to see your phone's notifications from the lock screen itself, then you can hide notifications from the same. Just go to Settings, then go to Security and Location and click on Lock Screen Preferences. Now you can choose if you want to show all notifications on lock screen or shows non-sensitive ones, or just completely hide everything. Then the next feature is called as Home Screen Rotation. You can obviously turn on auto rotation from the notification toggles, but that doesn't let you home screen rotate. In order to enable auto rotation even for your home screen, just long press anywhere, go to Home Settings and enable this Allow Home Screen Rotation option. Now even if you rotate your phone on home screen, it will automatically rotate everything. Then the next feature is called as Screen Pinning. Now this feature can be found in many other devices running on stock Android. Basically what it does is whenever you pin someone in the app, that person cannot close the app or come out from it unless they know how to do it. Just go to Settings, then Accessibility and turn on the Screen Pinning option. Now whenever you are on multitasking tray, click on the small pin icon on the app which you want to pin, and now you cannot close the app unless you long press back and menu button together. And last but not the least, you can turn on night light, especially if you use your phone during night time. Just go to Settings, then under Display, you will find this option. You can also schedule it as per your need and also choose the intensity of the same. So these were the 10 hidden features or tips and tricks of this Asus Zenfone Max Pro. Let me know in the comments below if you found them helpful. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and also subscribe to the channel for some more videos on this Zenfone Max Pro. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Amog and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye and take care.